Imagine this moment. You are standing in a beautiful cafe in London. A friendly voice says, "Hello." Your heart beats faster. You want to answer, but the words feel stuck. What if, in just a few minutes, you could speak clearly, confidently, and naturally? Welcome to TalkTune English. I'm Mia, your English coach and your friend. Here, English is not just words. It is rhythm. It is music. It is life. In every video, we train your ears, your voice, and your mind step by step so you can speak English like it's your own language. Stay with me, because today we will practice in a way that is simple, powerful, and unforgettable. You will listen slowly, speak with me, and feel every sound. By the end, you will not only learn, you will feel fluent. Are you ready? Let's begin this journey together. Good morning. Say it with me. Good morning. Again. Slower. Good. Morning. One more time. A little faster. Good morning. Very good. Now, imagine you wake up. Open your eyes. The sun is coming through the window. Say it. I wake up. Again. I wake up. One more time. I wake up. Good. Now say, I wake up early. Repeat. I wake up early. Again. I wake up early. Excellent. You sit up. You smile. Say it with me. I smile. Again. Slower. I smile. One more time. I smile. Now combine. I wake up. I smile. Repeat. I wake up. I smile. You are doing great. Now let's say hello. Repeat after me. Hello. Again. Slower. Hello. One more time. Hello. Say hello. Good morning. Again. Hello. Good morning. Perfect. Now, ask, how are you? Say it. How are you? Repeat again. How are you? Now answer, I am fine. Say it. I am fine. Again. I am fine. Let's try a small dialogue. Say, hello. Good morning. Answer, hello. Good morning. Ask, how are you? Answer, I am fine. Repeat this with me. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Again. Faster but clear. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. You sound better each time. Now, let's start our day. Say, I get out of bed. Again. I get out of bed. Slower. I get out of bed. Good. Say, I go to the bathroom. Repeat. I go to the bathroom. One more time. I go to the bathroom. Good. You wash your face. Say, I wash my face. Again. I wash my face. One more time. I wash my face. Excellent. Now, let's make it longer. I wake up. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. Repeat all with me. I wake up. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. Great work. Now breakfast. Say, I eat breakfast. Again. I eat breakfast. Slower. I eat breakfast. One more time. I eat breakfast. Good. What do you eat? Say, I eat bread. Repeat. I eat bread. Again. I eat bread. Say, I drink tea. Again. I drink tea. Say, I drink coffee. Again. I drink coffee. Let's try. I eat bread. I drink coffee. Repeat. I eat bread. I drink coffee. Great. Now let's ask a question. Say, what do you eat? Again. What do you eat? Answer, I eat bread. Repeat, I eat bread. Question, what do you drink? Answer, I drink tea. One more time. What do you drink? I drink tea. Excellent. Now, we leave the house. Say, I go out. Again, I go out. One more time. I go out. Say, I go to work. Repeat, I go to work. Again, I go to work. Say, I go to school. Repeat, I go to school. Excellent. Now a small story. Listen. I wake up. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Say it with me. I wake up. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Again. Slower. I wake up. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Good. One more time. Faster but clear. I wake up. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Great job. Let's practice greetings at work or school. Say, hello. How are you? Repeat. Hello. How are you? Again. Hello. How are you? Answer, I am fine. Thank you. Say, I am fine. Thank you. Again, I am fine. Thank you. Question, how are you? Answer, I am fine. Thank you. Repeat with me. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Great. Now, let's practice time. Say, it is morning. Again, it is morning. Say, it is afternoon. Again, it is afternoon. Say, it is evening. Again, it is evening. One more time. It is evening. Good. Imagine lunchtime. Say, I eat lunch. Again, I eat lunch. One more time. I eat lunch. Say, I eat rice. Repeat. I eat rice. Again, I eat rice. Say, I drink water. Repeat. I drink water. Again, I drink water. Excellent. Now let's ask and answer. Question. What do you eat for lunch? Say it. What do you eat for lunch? Answer. I eat rice. Repeat. I eat rice. Question. What do you drink? Answer. I drink water. Repeat. I drink water. Great work. Let's talk about the afternoon. Say, I study English. Again, I study English. One more time. I study English. Say, I read a book. Repeat. I read a book. Again, I read a book. Say, I write. Repeat. I write. Again, I write. Let's try together. I study English. I read a book. I write. Again, slower. I study English. I read a book. I write. Excellent. Now imagine a small break. Say, I take a break. Repeat. I take a break. Again. I take a break. Say, I drink tea. Again. I drink tea. One more time. I drink tea. Great. Evening time. Say, I go home. Again. I go home. One more time. I go home. Say, I eat dinner. Repeat. I eat dinner. Again, taking gun. I eat dinner. Say, I talk with my family. Repeat. I talk with my family. Again. I talk with my family. Excellent. Let's practice a short conversation. Question. What do you do in the evening? Answer. I eat dinner. Say it. I eat dinner. Again. I eat dinner. Question. Who do you talk with? Answer. I talk with my family. Repeat. I talk with my family. Great. Now, let's add feelings. Say, I am happy. Repeat. I am happy. Again. I am happy. Say, I am tired. Repeat. I am tired. Again. I am tired. Say, I feel good. Repeat. I feel good. Again. I feel good. Great. Now bedtime. Say, I go to bed. Again. I go to bed. One more time. I go to bed. Say, I sleep. Repeat. I sleep. Again. I sleep. Good. Let's review the whole day. Repeat after me. I wake up. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I study English. I go home. I eat dinner. I talk with my family. I go to bed. One more time. Slower. I wake up. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I study English. I go home. I eat dinner. I talk with my family. I go to bed. Perfect. Now shadow with me. Faster but clear. I wake up. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch. I study English. I go home. I eat dinner. I talk with my family. I go to bed. Excellent work. You sound strong. You are doing great. Your English is getting better. Each time you repeat, your mouth remembers. Each time you shadow, you grow more confident. Let's end with a simple dialogue. Say, good night. Repeat, good night. Again, good night. Say, see you tomorrow. Repeat, see you tomorrow. Again, see you tomorrow. Excellent. Today, you listened slowly. You spoke with me. You felt English in your mouth. This is how you grow. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Your English will be strong. You will speak fluently. Keep training every day. Repeat. Shadow. Listen again. Subscribe and stay with TalkTune English. You are doing amazing. Keep going.